Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor. I want to wish everybody a really happy new year for 2022 and I hope everybody's dreams come true. Welcome to the free Unity assets for December, January 2021, and I feature some of the best free assets that you can find in Unity, which is script, visual effects, models, 2D assets and so much more. I'll leave all the links down in the description so you can check out all the 50 something different assets that are free for this month. So you can check out the current Humble Bundle packs, which is the game art in Blender, bunch of Blender courses for low poly styles, visual effects, low poly characters and loads of stuff in there. We've got the Learn to Program by Developing Games in Unity, which is a books bundle, and the big music bundle too if people are looking to get some music packs for sound effects for game music. And the last one is the Game Dev GUI Goodness, which has a load of UI, GUI, custom icons, images and stuff to spice all of that up. And be sure to check out my Adventure Puzzle Kit, which is currently 50% off on the Unity Asset Store until the 11th of January. And an awesome publisher on the Unity Asset Store called JUSTCREATE has a load of their bundles which are currently on sale for up to 50% off, with their mega 2800 asset low poly asset bundle with their specific packs for cities, dungeons, tropical environments, weapons, farms, interiors and so much more. Be sure to check all these out. I'll leave all the links to everything in the description. Number one is the Mega World free, and Mega World is an ecosystem of tools for really fast creation of beautiful realistic results and hyper optimized object rendering. And this includes the Stamper tool, Advanced Brush tool, the Spray Brush tool and the Brush Erase tool. And these brushes allow you to be able to create, spray and erase different objects within terrains. The next one is the Fishnet Networking Evolved, and this is an open source, easy to use, feature rich networking library specifically for Unity, and this has been optimized to save money on server fees, and it has specific things for automatic variable, dictionaries and custom type synchronization. You can have remote procedure calls and custom messages between servers and client, low bandwidth consumption. It's got built-in client-side prediction. You can create the game using a single project, and you can have several projects for server clients. The next one is the modular low poly track roads free, which is a pack which contains 8 meshes, 6 optimized colliders and 16 prefabs with 1 track, which includes 2 corners, 3 fences, 2 straight modular roads, 1 start and finish, 6 colliders and 1 texture at 64 by 64. The next one is something called 2D Camera, and it is a plugin which gives you out of the box configurable cameras for 2D, and it supports things such as X and Y side scrolling movement, floor to ceiling limits, smooth camera follow, multi-target tracking, zoom in and zoom out triggers, and lots of functionality with 100% source code included. The next one is the Crossplanes Low Poly Environment, and this is a package for optimized for mobile games, and it includes specific assets like a gate, set of plants, rocks, mountains, floating isles, skulls, rib bones, and a specific little diorama. The next one is something called Mesh Merger Lite, and this allows you to combine several objects in one, which can allow you to save performance, increase productivity, and save on materials and instances and draw calls when you don't want a lot of things to be rendered. The next one is Augmenta for Reality, and this is a tracking technology to easily bring interactivity to your project, and this allows you to receive and parse augmented data in Unity and create a load of really awesome cool looking effects for your projects. The next one is the MINIFANTASY Dungeon Super Low Res 2D art style, and this is 45 different dungeon style pieces at 8x8 for the dungeon tile set, with a human hero with 7 different animations, an orc enemy with 7, and the assets are 13 floor tiles, a bunch of doors, walls and different things with shadows. They've got furniture, decorations, animated props. The next one is the 2D Weapon Pack free and the Low Poly Guns Pack. These are by different developers, but there's a bunch of things that you could go together. So it includes the 2D Weapon Pack is an AK-47, M4, some shotguns, grenades and a few other assets. The Low Poly Pack contains 1 rifle and 1 pistol at around 1,700 to 6,000 triangles. And we have the free 2D cartoon parallax backgrounds. So this includes 4 backgrounds, 5 different layers, tileable sprites, 4K resolution, and the next one is the FPS third person multiplayer map, and it's a free map for things which might include a green or a blue team or capture the flag style environments, and it's got around up to 8,000 triangles per base with different ramps with 8 different original materials and textures at 2K. Last but not least is the quick scene window finder, and this allows you to have a utility which allows you to list all the scenes in the project, filter on the build name, search the name, have a drop down list, and it's really small but can be really useful, so you don't have to search through your project to find where your scenes might be in which folder. It can just be a nice utility to get that started. So be sure to check out all of these fantastic assets for December, January 2022. Feels weird saying that. And be sure to check out all the great assets on Humble Bundle, on the sale on the Unity Asset Store, all the awesome sales and discounts from JUSTCREATE. Check out my asset on the Unity Store too. Come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts and projects you can't find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my new website which features all discounts for my assets with a discount code in the description for all my subscribers. So thank you so much for coming to watch. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.